Hey there. We're about to start implementing these strings with the help of string literal, string object, and string method, so let's get started. What we're supposed to do is, first of all, I'm going to tell you how to declare the array with the help of string literal and string object. String str hello. This is the string literal. If you will print, simply just write str. This is the string object. I say str new string world. Sys up here we say str. In case you wanted to concatenate to string literal and string object, you can also do that. String literal and there is a string object. Concatenating string literal and string object. Here we are declaring string start str. Sys out and here we are printing str. Just run and iterate it. Next, I'm going to tell you about the string methods. These are the most common methods to split the string into multiple substrings compared to two or more strings. To calculate the length of the string, replace a specific character or a group of characters. Contains will check whether the string contains any substring or a group of specific character or not. Trim is to truncate or trail the white spaces from the string. Concat is to concat or merge two or more strings, and the index of is to find out the index of a particular string from the existing string. I'm going to demonstrate you a couple of most common methods, so let's get started. In case you wanted to calculate the length of string, let's say I have str, I just write str length. Length is a method, string method, which helps in calculating the length of string. It also counts the space or a white space that exists in between of the string. If you would like to chat the specific character from a specific index from the string, you can say str chart. I just wanted to get the first character that is there at index. It will return hello world as a string, so it will return that to me. Another one is concat, as I already told you. You can just concat the string with the help of plus, but we do have a string method for that. You can simply write str concat str. That's how you can concat your two strings. The left string, which is the str, gets concat with the right string. In case you wanted to get the substring, so you can go for sys out and say str substring. You wanted to get the substring from an index, and you wanted to get hello, 5 characters. According to me, it should return hello. If you have two strings, you can compare whether two strings are equal or not. If it will be equal, it will return true, otherwise false, str equals str or not. You can compare two strings this way. You can check whether a particular string contains a particular group of characters or not. I just wanted to check whether mice contains hello inside it or not. If it contains, it will return true, otherwise it will return false. That's how the most common string methods are here, and you can use them in your practical implementation. You can also convert your specific strings into lowercase or to uppercase. Those methods we also have here. Straight uppercase. That's how your string is hydrated. If you have any white spaces from your string, you can easily truncate them by writing str trim and remove the white spaces right here. I hope the concept is clear to all of you. Let me just run this program I'd write to see the output of all these methods right here. You can see that first one is printing the length a chart index, that is concatenating first and second string, that is hello word. Substring to get first 5 characters, that is hello. Two strings are equal or not, it's saying false. Contains hello, yes. Converting the entire string into the lowercase, converting the entire string to the uppercase if any white spaces are there to reduce, or eliminate the white spaces and print in the string right here. This is how string methods needs to be used. See you in the next session. Until next time, stay tuned. Thank you.